Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.